Welcome to our vlog. We're about to explore the most iconic landmarks in the Philippines, the Manila Cathedral. Join us to dive into the rich history and breathtaking architecture of this historical masterpiece. We're here at Manila Cathedral, the heart of Catholicism in the Philippines. Let's take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of this magnificent basilica. Did you know that the Manila Cathedral has a dating back to the 16th century? It's been through numerous reconstructions due to earthquakes and fires, but it still stands tall as a symbol of resilience and freedom.
Throughout the centuries, the cathedral has witnessed significant events in Philippine history, from the colonial times to the struggle of World War II. Each stone and pillar echoes the tales of the past, reminding us of the enduring spirit of the Philippines.
Now, let's talk about architecture. The Manila Cathedral boasts a blend of different styles, from Baroque to neoclassical, to indicate the details and majestic dome make it a sight of the blend behold of the attracting tourists and worshippers alike from all over the world. Located in the heart of Intramuros, the cathedral offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of Manila. Surrounded by lush, greenery, and historical landmarks, it's the perfect place to reflect and find inner peace.
If you're planning to visit, here's a tip. Take the LRT and get off the Carriedo station. From there, you can easily catch a jeepney bound to Pierre, which will drop you off there in the right front of the cathedral. It's convenient and budget-friendly.
Whether you are devout Catholic or simply a curious traveler, the Manila Cathedral welcomes everyone with open arms. So come on down and experience the beauty and spirituality of this sacred place.
That's a wrap for our vlog. We hope you enjoyed our tour of the Manila Cathedral. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay blessed and keep exploring.
See you in Cathedral! We're here at Manila Cathedral.
The cathedral.